Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can add card to your Cash App account. So it's very simple and easy. All you need to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now, first thing first, you'll have to log in into your Cash App account. And once you're logged into your account, you need to tap on the icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. As you tap on the icon, you'll be directed to My Cash. And in this page, you can see right at the bottom, you have an option as Add Bank. You'll need to click on it. So after that, you'll be directed to the page where you can add a debit card or credit card to your Cash App account. You can just enter in your debit card or credit card's number, and after that you'll be able to add it to your Cash App process. You'll not be able to add a bank account. So in order to add a bank account, and after that you can use the card from the bank account itself, you'll need to tap on No Card, which is right in the bottom. After that, you'll have to select the bank account that you want to link it to your Cash App. So then you have a list of suggestions, then select it accordingly. As you select the bank, next page you'll have to provide the information that includes entering your account number, social security number, and once you're done providing all of the information, you need to tap on Add, and then you've successfully linked or added bank account to your Cash App account. And along with that, you've also added card to your Cash App. So that is how you can add card to your Cash App account. That was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.